Matters, a channel about all and everything with me, Monica. We all of us want to stay healthy and live a long life. And with this pandemic, all of us have started taking measures to improve and boost our immunity and have been taking vitamin supplements or any other supplements which will boost our immunity. One way to naturally boost our immunity and to stay healthy is to eat fresh and chemical free vegetables and fruits. Today I am going to take you through about a platform which connects the customers to the farmers, and they provide organic farm fresh vegetables. I can vouch for their freshness and the taste because I have tried and I have been using it for past couple of months. So today I am going to take you through the Veg Harvest Bundle which I receive every week to show you what are all the things which you can expect. Please note, this is not the exhaustive list of vegetables which or the complete list of vegetables which you get in Veg Harvest Bundle. The Veg Harvest Bundle changes every week depending on the produce and also the harvest. So let's see what are all the vegetables which I have got in this week's Harvest Bundle. This is the Veg Harvest Bundle which I have received from Farmazon. So I'm going to show you what are all the vegetables I have received and what you can expect in a Farmazon Veg Bundle. This is this week's Veg Bundle. So this seems to be palak or the spinach, greens, again spinach, or is this not spinach? I have got 2 bundles of spinach. Yeah, 2 bundles of spinach. I have got 2 bundles of greens. I have to identify what these greens are. And 1 bunch of coriander. One more green. This is lettuce, green lettuce, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, this is snake gourd, tomatoes, the country variety, this is broad beans or the chikkudukai, this is cluster beans, the French beans, this is corn, the bhaji mirchi, the bhaji chili, carrots, cucumber, sweet potato, I don't know what you call this. It's called kundri, dondakaya, green chili, banana flower, banana stem, more carrots, onion, lemon, bag is empty. So these are all the ones which I have received for this week's Veg Harvest Bundle, which I presume is more than sufficient for a family. This is 1 week's Veg Harvest Bundle. I'll get a similar one, maybe with a different variety of vegetables, next week. You can open the app and choose what vegetables you prefer or you don't prefer. You can go to this tab, and here in the manage you can choose what vegetables you like or you don't like this is the list of veggies I love. I have chosen some. You can choose whatever you like, and you can select and save. Likewise, you can choose veggies I don't like whichever vegetables you do not want to be delivered in your veg harvest bundle, you can choose here and save it. So the list is like you can choose the hate list will be 8 and the wish list will be like loving list will be 12. So you can choose 12 vegetables which you love absolutely, and if they are in the harvest you will get it, and veggies which you do not like, if you select, they will not deliver this to you. So I think this is a very important option wherein you do not want to get something which you do not like, and you, if there is something which you like, you will get it in for sure. Hope you all like this video. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.